Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we're going to go down the list of the top 5 features on the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, smash the notification bell, and do not forget to subscribe because we do get more content coming your way. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's get started. Now, this first feature is going to be my all-time favorite on the Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. And this feature is not new to Wear OS, not at all, but it's one of the best features that you can have on a smartwatch. Apple, Samsung's Tizen OS should have this feature to allow the consumer to be able to customize and personalize the watch face to their liking. All right. And that's going to be the customization of the watch faces, right? Which I thought was awesome. Now, we're going to show you on this watch face right here. And we're going to hit customize, and you see where the plus signs are. You can add whatever compilation you want there. And so I'm going to tap down at the bottom. And if I want to add compilation, digital clock, I want to add digital clock 24 hours, or I want to add the day of the week, I can, or I can just add the month. So let's go ahead. Let's add the month down at the bottom. We're going to tap here on this plus sign, and I want to add compilation. So now what I like about this is that it gives you a whole array of compilations that you can add. You can add a favorite contact, your media controller. We're going to go ahead and tap there, and then we're going to tap it on the one at the top. And then we're going to go on compilations again, and then look at the list, right? And the list goes on and on and on. So if you want fitness information, you can. A guy like me, I don't want all of them, but we do like to have our steps, okay? And then right here, we're going to do something different other than steps. So we're going to go all the way down, but check the list. Check the list of all the applications that you have to choose from to add to that particular compilation, that dial, to personalize it to your liking. You got weather, you got UV index, sunset, sunrise, you got alarm, stopwatch, timer, whatever you want to add here, you can, right? So I'm going to put feels like. Now, when I'm finished, all I simply have to do, just swipe, and then here we go. And it's going to add all those compilations to your watch. Now, the other good thing about this, right? Let's say you like this watch face, but you don't like the clutter of it because now you're about to dress to impress. You're about to hit that board meeting. And then, so what you could do is, let's go back into this. And what I like that you could do is that you can get rid of all of them, right? Just hit none, go back into compilation, hit none, and that will take it away. And then you can have a watch face that's like, that elegant looking watch face without all the fitness information or compilation dials within the watch face. And that gives it a nice luxury look so far as the style is concerned. So this is the #1 feature. I had to talk about this. I had to go into it so you can get an idea of all the things you can do with certain watch faces on Samsung's Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The next feature is nice. It's called Bedtime Mode, right? And I thought this was a pretty nice feature. It's almost like the Do Not Disturb, but I like the fact that you're going to be able to have some other features to customize the Bedtime Mode to your liking. So to get to it, just drop your screen down, go off into settings, and you can also set this in your Galaxy Watch 4 app as well. You want to go down and you want to go to Advanced Feature. Tap on Advanced Feature, and then you'll see Bedtime Mode. Now, I'm not going to cut it on, but you can cut on Bedtime Mode. Just cut it on at the top. I like the fact that you could turn on the schedule, and it gives you the days of the week that you can set for that schedule, and just hit save, and then go up. And then it's going to let you know exactly what it's going to turn off. It's going to turn off the always on display and the raised wrist to wake. It's also going to turn on the do not disturb, and also mute calls, alarms, and other sounds, right? And this is just in case you're in a meeting, you're at a theater. You can set this for if you're going to bed at night. So I thought this was definitely an awesome feature to have on a smartwatch. Today we're going to show you how to answer phone calls and reject phone calls off of the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. It's real easy. It's kind of hard to do from behind the camera, so bear with me. But all you got to do is shake your wrist up and down a couple of times, and it's going to answer. And there you go. Although I'm doing it from behind the camera and it was hard, it did work. All right, now we're going to show you how to reject phone calls, which is a little bit easier in my opinion. Let's go ahead, let's do it. See if it works with me behind the camera. There you go. Call has been rejected. And that's it. That's how you answer and reject phone calls over the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. All right, you all, this next feature is a feature that this feature can be used by teens, adults, and also people who are senior citizens, right? So go ahead, swipe down your screen once again, tap on your settings, and then when you see advanced feature, tap here and then scroll up and you will see SOS, right? So in SOS, when the home key is pressed 3 times, you can also send a message to a favorite contact, or you can also make a phone call as well, or when it detects a hard fall, which I thought was definitely awesome. If you fall hard, it's going to automatically send that information to the contact that you have set. Now, you can set this on the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic app as well. You don't have to do this on your smartphone, but it's going to allow you to set whatever contact you need to set for this to be sent to. And I thought this was definitely an awesome feature to set up on your Galaxy Watch 4 and your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. All right, you all, last but not least, we're going to talk about the notifications. Now, the notifications are a very nice feature to go ahead and set up to make the watch a little bit more convenient about getting your notifications and or not getting your notifications. All right, so to get there, just drop the screen. We're going to go back off into settings, and then we're going to go into notifications. Now, it's going to show notifications on your watch, right? Alerts and things like that. What I like about this one is that it's going to mute notifications on your phone when you have the watch on your wrist, which I thought was an awesome feature. I don't need to get 2 notifications, one in my pocket, one on my wrist. So long as you have the watch on your wrist, you're going to get all your notifications on your smartwatch, which I thought was definitely awesome. And then if you go to the next one, it says notifications, right, will be shown on the watch face for unread notifications. Now, for me, I need that feature because I want to know if I got one. Maybe I was super busy, I was moving things, maybe I didn't get time to look at it, that it's going to be an orange dot on this side of your watch face that's going to show you that you have notifications, which I thought was awesome. Also, you can have your notifications being read to you. Now, it's not going to do it out loud on the smartwatch, but if you have your earbuds plugged up, it will read your notifications that you get on the smartwatch, which I thought was definitely awesome. Also, you could turn the screen on when you get a notification. I find this to be useful because sometimes when you turn your wrist, the watch face does not come on, the always on does not come on. So therefore, this will automatically turn it on. So when you do bring the watch toward your face, you will be able to see your notifications every single rip. Now, you can also turn on this for new apps. I don't want to do that one. If you like that feature, then fine. And what it's going to do is automatically turn on notifications to newly installed apps. I do not need that, right? Now, you can also set this up on the Galaxy Watch 4, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic app as well. And that may be a little bit more convenient because everything is very legible, it's very readable. You see everything on this big screen. So whichever way you want to do it, you can do it. I'm doing it this way simply because I'm on the smartwatch. But I thought this was one of the best features on the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Now, hit me in the comment section down below because I would like to know your thoughts on the top 5 features. Matter of fact, let me know which ones are your #1 features on the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. If it was informative, don't forget to hit the like button down below. If you really got a lot out of this content and you want to help the channel out, then go ahead, hit that thanks button down below. Now, don't forget, as always, I always tell you this, subscribe to the channel because we got more awesome content coming your way. I see you all at the next video. Enjoy life, have some fun. Remember to remember, please you all, be safe.